Okay, so in preparation for our trip overseas, one of the things I've got to do is I've got to take the little boys out to stay with Grandpa and Grandma. And Grandpa and Grandpa live an 8-hour drive away up into northwestern New South Wales. But here's one of the little boys. Where's the other one? He's down there. So we've just headed off and keep updated. Okay, so just north of Manduran, stopped to give the boys a bit of a break, get out, that sort of thing. Just about to get back in the car. Apart from when a car goes past, it's really quiet and peaceful out here. You might be able to hear the birds, I don't know, but it's really nice and peaceful out here. Just left Canamble, so I'm only about 2 hours from Dad's now. I think I've travelled this road a little too often now, because driving along I sort of don't think to stop and take in what I'm seeing. It's sort of like the scenery, I've seen it over and over and over, and I almost take it for granted, even though I like what I still see and I like the beauty around me and that sort of thing, but I don't think to stop, to take it in, to take photos. And I think my time pressures on this trip too have taken a little bit of that into it. Like I said, 2 hours, I've been on the road for 6 hours, 2 to go, so I'm almost there. It'd be good to get there before night time for a change, and miss all of the wildlife that comes down to the roads at dusk. Anyway, later. Just got past. Oh, roadkill.